Hey readers, today we're going to look again at poems. We're going to study two parts of poems, and that is rhythm. The rhythm of a poem means that it has a beat, like in music. We are also going to look at rhyme. Words that rhyme have the same end sound. So today we are going to look again at our poem titled Puzzled. And we're going to focus on the rhythm of stanza 1. Now again, rhythm means the beat, like what we would have if we had a song. So I'm going to read stanza 1, and I want you to listen for the rhythm. Too hard, these pieces don't fit. I'm puzzled by this puzzle. I really want to quit. Now, I'm going to clap as I read that to keep up with the beat. You ready? Too hard, these pieces don't fit. I'm puzzled by this puzzle. I really want to quit. Did you hear how it kept the same beat? Now let's read it again. You can clap with me this time, or maybe you want to pat your knee. Are you ready? Let's read. Too hard, these pieces don't fit. I'm puzzled by this puzzle. I really want to quit. There was a rhythm in that stanza because it kept the same beat. Now we're going to look at another part of this poem, and we're going to look for rhyming words. Remember, rhyming words that are words that end with the same sound. So as I read stanza 2, I want you to be good listeners in listening for rhyming words. So stanza 2, don't give up, I tell myself. Keep trying, you'll do fine. Look for all the clues you can. Color, story, shape, size, line. Now, I want us to think about a word that rhymes in this stanza. I want us to think about the word that rhymes with the word fine. So as we read the word fine, let's think about what word rhymes. Does fine and look rhyme? Or does fine and line rhyme? If you said fine and line, you are correct because fine ends with the sound of ein and line ends with the sound of ein. So I know that fine and line are rhyming words. Now we're going to go to our next poem. This poem is titled Oops. And I want us to listen for the rhythm that we hear in stanza 1. So I'm going to read this as I clap out the rhythm. You ready? Anna dropped some crayons. She broke her favorite blue. Jamal was counting cups for juice. Oops, he left out 2. So there is a rhythm. Clap with me as we read that again, okay? We're going to clap on the first word this time. You ready? Anna dropped some crayons. She broke her favorite blue. Jamal was counting cups for juice. Oops, he left out 2. The rhythm. We kept the same amount of claps throughout the stanza. So it has the rhythm. Now let's listen for some rhyming words. I'm going to focus on the word blue in that stanza. If I listen for the word blue and I listen for the rhyming words, I want to end up with a word that has the sound of oo. So which word rhymes with blue? Is it the word two or is it the word cups? Do I say blue two or blue cups? If you said blue two, you are correct. Those are rhyming words. Let's move over to this page, page 17 of our poem. Going to read this stanza. Our music teacher missed a note. He played a silly tune. Our principal said good morning when it was afternoon. So think about as we hear that, what word rhymes with tune? When we say the word tune, what was the rhyming word? Tune note or tune afternoon? When I say the word tune, I hear the oon sound at the end. So tune note. No, those words don't rhyme. Tune afternoon. Tune and afternoon are your rhyming words because it ends with the sound of oon. So rhyming words end with the same sound. Rhythm is the beat that we hear when we are reading.